everyone, welcome to SolveStream. In this video, let us understand how to find the square root of an irrational number. So let's take root 5 and try to find the square root of this number using the long division method. For that, we will write 5 like this, 5 and followed by the pairs of zeros. And the pair of zeros depends on the number of decimal places that you're going to find the square root. Now here I'm finding the square root of 5 up to 2 decimal places. That's the reason I have written 2 pairs of zeros. Now it's time to choose the first divisor. You choose the first divider such that the square of that number is equal to 5 or less than 5. So I'm choosing 2 here because I know 2 square is 4, which is less than 5. So I write 2 times 2, which is 4, and the next step is to subtract the number. 5 minus 4 will give you 1, and then you bring these pairs of zeros down. So don't forget to put the decimal here. So I get 100. Now it's time to choose the second divisor. To choose that, first add the same number to the first divisor. I get a 4. Now this 4 becomes a number in the tens place of your second divisor. Now you have to choose a number in its units place such that when you multiply it with the same number, you should get 100 or a number which is less than 100. Now if I choose 1 and multiply it with 1, I get 41, which is way less than 100. So now I'll choose 2 because if I multiply it with 2, I get 84. So I write 42 times 2 is 84. Then I get 16. Then I bring this pairs of zeros down. So I get 1600. Now it's time to choose the third divisor. What do? You add the same number to the second divisor. You get 44. Now this becomes a number in the hundreds place of the third divisor. This becomes a number in the tens place. Now again, you have to choose a number in the units place such that you multiply it with the same number to get a 1600 or a number which is less than 1600. So let's check with 2. So if I choose 2, I have to multiply it with 2. So I get 488, which is very less than 1600. So let's choose 3. So if I choose 3, I get 1329. So I can write this. So I'll write 443 multiplied by 3 is 1329. So now we can stop this here because we have already found the square root of the number up to 2 decimal places. Because if you keep continuing, then it goes on forever. So this is how you find the square root of an irrational number using long division method. I hope this is helpful to you. For more such videos, please subscribe to SolveStream.